This little gadget here is what is called a Polyphon. It's an 1890s record player, well, the first portable record player ever made. And we'll have a look inside. Look how beautifully decorated that is. And if you look down here, here's the arm that holds the disc in place. And these two little things here keep the record spinning. And this is your music. And this is the disc. If you look at it, it's got all these little things that stick out of it. So I'll show you how it all goes together and what it sounds like. So that is on there. And you line it up with those two little knobs that I showed you. The arm goes over and push it down, lock it into place. Then you grab your crank handle and get that to sit down on, there's a little knob, there it goes, and you wind it up. High technology for the 1800s. And to control the volume, you close the lid. And it gets a little bit quieter. If you want it louder, you open it back up.